he loves me all the time. He calls me 15 times a day. He likes to make sure that I'm fine. You know I've never met a man who's made me feel quite so secure. He's not like all them other boys, they're all so dumb and immature. There's just one thing that's getting in the way. When we go up to bed, you're just no good, it's such a shame.
Alright, so got a big hole here. Still had a lot of wire here, so now I'm ready to put the pipe. Already connect. I didn't connect, but I just put like 100 feet of perforated pipe right here, right there. When I connect, I'm gonna put one from here and connect to this one. I have to put one over there. And it's very difficult to put the landscaping fabric by yourself, so I think eventually I'll keep stretching when I add the gravel, and I think this is what I'm going to do. What I'm going to do is I'm going to connect that pipe already there and start to put the gravel. I'm going to start from the bottom all the way up, then I have to put that way too. Alright, let's go back to work.
It's not fair, I think you really mean. I think you really mean. I think you really mean. Oh, you're supposed to care, but you never make me scream. You never make me scream. Oh, it's not fair, it's really not okay. It's really not okay. It's really not okay. Oh, you're supposed to care, but all you do is take. Yeah, all you do is take. I like it in the wet patch, in the middle of the bed. I'm feeling pretty damn hard done by. I spent ages giving head, then I remember all the nice things that you ever said to me. Maybe I'm just overreacting, maybe you're the one for me. That's just something that's getting in the way. When we go back to bed, you're just no good, it's such a shame. I look into your eyes, I want to get to know you, and then you make this noise, and it's so bad, it's all over. That's just something that's getting in the way. When we go out to bed, you're just not good, it's such a shame. I look into your eyes, I want to get to know you, and then you make this noise, and it's so bad, it's all over. It's not fair, and I think you're really mean. I think you're really mean. I think you're really mean. Oh, you're supposed to care, but you never make me scream. You never make me scream. Oh, it's not fair, and it's really not okay. It's really not okay. It's really not okay. Oh, you're supposed to care, but all you do is take. Yeah, all you do is take.
Alright, a quick update. My buddy is here to help me as always. So I did the whole connection. This was I hate doing this part, the landscape fabric and putting the pipe in. It's so annoying, but it's all good now. This way, connection here. One is going this way, one going that way. I put duct tape just to keep it stronger. But and right here, that's it. So just have to add the gravel, so my tractor can go up to around this area. After that, I will have to do it by hand. So, all right. let's try to get back to work.
This is where we all came from. The dreams we had, the love we shared. This is what we're waiting for. And in my mind, in my head, this is where we all came from. The dreams we had, the love we shared. This is what we're waiting for.
Alright, so I'm very tired carrying those gravel by hand. I did pretty good, but it's not gonna work out. So now I have all the way up there. It's kind of crazy. So what I'm thinking is, I think I'm going to work on covering this up, put the mud there back, and then I'll be able to drive the tractor all the way up to put the gravel, keep putting the gravel there with the tractor, not by hand. Alright, I'm gonna try that. Let's get back to work.
This is where we all came from. The dreams we had, the love we shared. This is what we're waiting for. In my head, this is where we all came from. The dreams we had, the love we shared. This is what we're waiting for. un tuffo sotto il sole. Faccio un caldo che si muore, quest'estate non si dorme. Me la bevo come un cocktail, questo ritmo che mi muove. I problemi sono altrove, cuffie sulla testa, gancio sotto l'ombrellone. Prendiamoci le stelle, che il resto non ci serve. Uscire e fare le feste.
Voglio andare più forte, ci passerà questa notte. Voglio vedere le luci dell'alba cambiare colori. Voglio ballare con te, soltanto con te. Non chiedo nulla, lontano con te. Lasciamoci tutto alle spalle per te, fino a che nasce il sole.
Tengo tutto per 2 ore, che mi scorda anche il mio nome. Bevo birra con limone, senza ghiaccio per favore. Andiamo noi sotto, vediamoci in angolo. Scopriamoci la pelle per